G'day everyone, it's Andrew here from Lindner Socks. We just thought we'd cover the topic of the right fit, how you might find the right fit of sock, how it makes a bit of a difference to how it lasts and how it wears. You'll find these days that quite a lot of the socks are trying to do a bit of a one size fits all, a bit of stretchy stuff out there. People are having troubles with sock movement. The toes might be actually trying to stretch the sock out to fit the right size, and toenails will tend to poke through, or as the tube starts to move around, there's friction points, so they might wear them out a bit quicker. What we're trying to achieve with our socks, by using the various materials, wool mainly, and the different types of knitting structures, we really want the sock to hug your foot. So whether it's a smaller size, being nice and tight, or going up to a larger foot, we want it to just continue to hug nice and tightly, well-shaped heel. We really want it to stay put. So that should reduce a lot of movement and friction and the wearing out of the sock itself. Whilst we're on this topic, we just thought we'd do a quick run through of actually how we measure to help with size guide and find the right size of sock to cover your foot. So if you've got a ruler at home, throw it down on the door. If you back your heel up to it, where the front of your toe lands on that measurement, that should be pretty well spot on to guide you as to the size. And all of our socks will have a size guide with them to actually say medium, large, small, whatever you need. Some of you might be right on the edge. If that's the case, if you're right on that edge and the foot is a bit wider, we'll recommend that you go up. But if you're still not sure, give us a call. Now, length is one thing, but the width and circumference can be another problem. So we just thought we'd show you that as far as actually getting the socks on, if you have a fancy measure like this, or even a piece of string, if you put it under the back of the heel and bring it around your ankle, this is sort of going to be the widest point. If you give that a measure, that should give you a bit of a circumference. And we also have these circumference measures on our sock details. And that will guide you as to, will this sock actually stretch out and go up and over? Some people have got some swollen legs, so same thing. We can go around, work out a bit of a measure. Do that again. So again, we can work out how much you actually need to get that sock to go up or to stay up, or do we actually need to knit a custom sock to give you a little bit more wiggle room? So we hope that helps a little bit for measuring. If you do need any custom measures or sock lengths or widths made up, give us a call or send us an email. So thank you for watching.